Usiama kwa babi on Fambra Ghana and Sem TV so dia me so any promise.
NDC aban onye hute on mi nyete se na nakufu ado abafon no mato no so munima o mato abafon sesese na esifo so dori etua nda kakra wonya ne ma me twa ase se wo manje jimi na o mugina online esu na ekoya di wo mbefa so o mbeto wo msame o munka wo mu turumika o maba na aba no mdo mo ntra wo na mba yale a me ba na sini bi nka nkyere me se yentwa na kantu hwe me ba me bona sum na makoje Mahama bae free education aduane keke no tina pa baako da sen kese baako na obecha amankwala no wantimi anyi free education
Mahama ntimi anyi free education
dabre
won say SS for moko muchiaka
sesi a wa beko day no yesi boarding no ubetua water no watua lights na wo ba na nkasa fidi no
wow
sana de nite na second time omo de nkwala no bi anya school ebi su nya school obi wo ha ye wono nkra ha ye tese na nkra ha wo de nakoto tachiman ne se tachiman na wo de nakoto no amani day no pesa akwala na ye de obede no akọ school ne che some pesa akwala na be ko school no because ono onimo bia wo tachiman ho na wa amani day no o ma me ko ha dan no fa ne ntinem no ma me ya se atwa nkana dan ne che se free education no untimi nye enu nti na wo ye school ni sa no second omo mbenya boarding so a utu omo kuna kurase so what ya say the sakula no aflawo na de no kotu kumase a o de na to boarding no so a o de na kwa akoto no akola no kwa ye so ntowe ye bewie no na ne kase buburubu lolo fe aflawo to kumase e be de na na maami akohwe ne ba enti se abrewa abi kura akra ne maami egu abrewa na etete na abrewa ne be den every aflawo akokuma ase eno ntonkoda on se nkola na anya school no om se wa course na wo ye no se wo free se course no school na wo nya ye no ebi ni ho a bla be change ya change school up to now in Sanka you say on the 18th for Nkola no school. It's a report no my na bede na Nkola na yede. Ako school. Let's say free education nti no. Enti na wo yes ade no. Enti nipa dodo na wo hia wo mu no. Eno no afa wo makogu boarding because nya de a ubetimi afridi wo mu free education no. So what you say? Enti na wa wasem se nipa be 3000 a wo for 100. What the 2000? At the 100 na ko boarding and I would 200 a day. Now, if we so bet me a sponsor woman, Cabeza, and to me. Won't me and tell this for money. She almost almost think of what to go to call much more pass, Omoboa, Ayaza, 419. Almost a some ye be Magana for who said, go to know me, Johnny free and my moon. So what I say, almost you, Momoboa.
They say inflation. About 9.4% too. Any could you man name my senate nibble 10 sanity, a book of Pony as I do. The one I'm catching is unemployment is what it says shoe up at 13.5. Have run by moon beer you may be for a nipper. So how possible? Just a propaganda now would they win election and no I'm really can't you know. How do people keep on massaging figures because in 18 for no. Whatever you are saying it reflects on us, yeah, and a better sampa, the more can and a crime and a cray. Because inflation 9.4 today be any man the eternity. And how do you calculate it? Because the NTS you inflation time and calculating any unemployment like most mobile as what ye. Yeah, for be you more than a 133 and baby. And you into how possible? Oh, just a propaganda and some none I'm not so they drew her. Boy.
My father, the way you do, it is not fine. The way you do, it is not fine. Every day and every night, I suffer money matter. The way you do, it is not fine. I go forward the way you do, it is not fine.
Yo, Mahama, the nurses, they suffer for money matter. The doctors, them suffer for money matter. So the way you do, it is not fine. The way you do, it is not fine. The parliament, they suffer for money matter. The parliament is suffering for money matter. The doctors, they are suffering for money matter. The nurses, they are suffering for money matter. So the way you do, it is not fine. Mahama, the way you do, it is not fine. Joe Mahama, the way you do, it is not fine.
Mahama is the hope. He gives you hope. He gives you hope for Madagana. Ebusuya eyezu. Na waje so comment section mu say eyeza. Na wo ka say de NDC aban no. Me kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama government no. Free education no de aye ne de eya muanan. Eya muanan. Na wo hwe video ya me ne umienwi na no ye hwe ya. Ya ma mi edit to ja kire o kire mu say there is no way and the National Democratic Congress and also the National Democratic Congress abino ebetimi de 1 MPP abino eba eye free senior school to say ya mudigu akwan mu o try say abra ne ba ne be call free senior school and the MPP no so kakreti eniama oto eni ka oboye na o de compare ene a ohunu ne say eyade a asesa eye sonko enoti ayade a onim say there is no way this government ebetimi fulfilling a promise or promise Ghana for during the 2024 general elections. Now let's look at something, right? Let's look at something. Currently this government I and Adrian say they are going to frustrate parents, they are going to frustrate students and they have placed people in certain areas that they will not have the energy to learn. They will not feel okay to learn because you've been placed in an area that you Nankasani, you know that you are not comfortable at where you are. You understand? You are not comfortable at where you are. Therefore, you find it very difficult to concentrate because the reason why all these boarding school number one, circular and protection from the teachers. Na after with me because school money colleagues by hereby case nene say yede wato how do you call it day nipa no akwa hand am no town what you say ba akwa hand am nipa no town akwa hand am nipa no town wa unti krom hobi you don't have control of over your child again. Therefore, never makula ne private me ade aye never boni bebre. What me never boni bebre. And I'm telling you. Now, another thing John Dramani Mahama government is doing that people are not seeing is that they know they cannot give food to the day student and the boarding student at the same time. So now they would want you to pay. I don't think that Central Abesha Ghana fire service recruits for normal call training 6 months. This government is saying so need car or they feed them, so they should feed themselves. Feed you. That is what is happening. So we are living in a country to see an we are not in the same times now. Things are changing, and this government doesn't care about what you actually go through. Yes, all they care about is that they are okay. They don't care about the citizens. They don't care about citizens now. And that's what I've been telling you people from the onset. Say the biggest mistake Ghana here and so about the National Democratic Congress. That was the biggest mistake. As citizens, I got to about the mass uncle for now. They say I'm a Minister for Health, any Minister for Education, about Bontin say. Idea cabinet I'm more kind some with me hiding HNS is teachers neka we don't care, say they need to be paid, so we don't care, but we don't want any other issue we don't want to wake up the next day and we hear something different. What am I trying to say? Making sure my how Ghana sent to me, I'm just so promise.